So a few years ago, we have some of our young people involved in accident in the city of Armadale. So we decided to promote road safety. So it was about giving young people, especially at the age of 12 to 25, the opportunity to produce a video that will help promote road safety within the city. The whole project has been the collaboration between the city of Armadale, the W Police, especially the Armadale District, and the Road Safety Commission. Part of the package for winners was to give them the opportunity to come and experience the video production studio.
When I saw that I won the competition, I was really happy and excited. And when I found out that I was coming here to learn about making videos, I was really excited, and I learned a lot about how the cameras and equipment work.
I got a solo individual prize, so I'm pretty proud of that. I got $1,000 and a gift card. It was pretty cool to come into workshop and experience all the cameras. Seeing the new robotic camera as well was pretty cool.
Getting that real contact with people in the community is very, very important, Giving them the opportunity to learn real life experience in video production is one part of it. But also taking back the message to their colleagues, that road safety is very important.
Is it safe to cross? Stop, look, listen, and think.
In the future, I'm hoping to be working with stunts and practical effects in movies.